I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon in the 70s, a ridge of high pressure warms our highs into the 80s tomorrow and Friday. Elevated to near critical fire weather conditions continue all the way through Friday, with humidity falling to 25% and winds gusting up to 35. Right near a warm front, a few showers or thunderstorms are possible across the central and east, both tonight and tomorrow night, some that could be strong to severe. Widespread rain and thunderstorms develop along and north of a cold front Friday night through Saturday as low pressure moves across the plains. Modest instability Friday night could lead to a few strong or severe storms. More precipitation is likely Saturday night through Sunday before wrapping up Sunday night with the second wave of low pressure. Slushy snow is possible when colder air mixes in Saturday night into Sunday. Rain amounts should range from a tenth to a half inch. Highs bottom out in the 40s Sunday before recovering to the mid-50s to the low 60s on Tuesday. Additional precipitation is possible Monday night through next Wednesday, possibly even next weekend. It does not stay cool for long. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures the middle of next week through April 8th, likely to be warmer than normal. The early to middle parts of next week, Nebraska and Kansas precipitation indicated to be slightly above normal before a trend of near normal precipitation late next week through April 8th. Key weather factors driving the markets include continued dryness in western wheat areas of the southern plains, despite active weather in much of the U.S., higher rain chances for South America, and a chance of rain for dry areas of the Black Sea region. This late day, drought-easing rain develops across southern Texas, gradually builds eastward along the Gulf Coast. 5-day rainfall could reach 2 to 8 inches or more across the western half of the Gulf Coast, with the highest totals expected in southern Texas. Active weather also prevails in the vicinity of a nearly stationary front across the northern U.S. Accumulating snow is expected this weekend from parts of the northern plains into northern New England. Midwestern 5-day rainfall could total 1 to 2 inches, accompanied at times by locally severe thunderstorms. Next week, a few more disturbances spread rain through the U.S. Across the central and southern plains, widespread rain is expected late this week before rain chances next week favor northern areas and miss key western wheat areas of the southern plains. Topsoil moisture right now is rated 78% very short to short in Texas, 60% in Oklahoma, 52% in Colorado, and 45% very short to short in Kansas. For central Brazil, mostly light rain continues this week. Southern Brazil even has a chance of rain, but nothing heavy. The rains are expected to benefit Brazil's developing second crop corn, but most soil moisture is expected to remain drier than normal. Argentina's beneficial rain for immature corn and soybeans ends this weekend. Double crop soybeans, a smaller part of Argentina's soybean crop, have benefited the most, while the rain may have delayed corn harvest. Most corn and soybeans in Argentina are heading into maturity, and future rains are expected to have less of a benefit. The Black Sea region has not seen much beneficial rain move in from Europe for wheat in mostly poor condition from low soil moisture. Eastern Ukraine and southwestern Russia, with the biggest need of rain, may see spotty rain this weekend, lead to better chances of rain for next week. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.